Thank you very much for joining. I know some of you are still struggling to make videos of your lectures, so I thought I should try making the first video of my own. The resources I have are just a laptop, and I have attached a mouse with it so that I can move the pointer easily, and I have PowerPoint 2016 software that I'm using for making this PowerPoint video. There's 3 steps. It's really not very difficult. First step is just to open Word 55 and then go to the slideshow. And slideshow, as you know, is one of the options in the bar up here, and then choose that record the video. Then second step is to record to push the record button, which is given up down here, and this record button, until this is on, you will be recording the video, and then you can stop it and then restart also. The third step is to save your file, and that saving the file is just like you save always, but you have to choose not just a regular PPT option. You can either choose Windows Media Video option or MPEG-4 file option, and that is what you have to do. You're done. Then you can reduce the size of your video using the other software like VLC, and you can also edit your individual slide, and you can also edit your video using any language. This is what those options are to save the file when you choose save as. For example, if I have just this one slide which depicts the livestock population in Punjab, this is based on Livestock and Dairy Development Department's 2018 version of livestock census. And suppose I discuss just the sheep and the goat population. The sheep population is located in the southern Punjab mainly, with Sajjad Khan as number 1 district, followed by Rujan, and then Muzaffargarh, and then of course India and up the western districts too. And similarly, the goat population is mainly located in Sajjad Khan, Muzaffargarh, then India, and then Bahawalpur, and Bahawalnagar, and the Raipur. So that is how you explain your video, and you can use the pointer as you like. So to summarize, recording in PowerPoint 2016 is really damn easy. And I'm using for this slide, I have used this inserting animation, and then I have chosen the option of effect options by paragraph, so that every bullet or the point comes one by one. So the first step was opening of the PPT file. Then you have to go to the slideshow and opt for record slideshow, and then record by using start and stop buttons, and then using the pointers you can highlight and emphasize things. And when you are done, you have to just save the file in, for example, as MPEG PNG file, which is not a smaller version still, but you can reduce the size in other software like VLC has good options. And the second last point is that you have to, of course, save the original file, and you can delete or add things in the individual slides and also in the overall video. That's it, please. So this is how you record your lectures and communicate with the students. Thank you very much for listening.